So we'll be seeing nested dictionaries. A dictionary can contain many dictionaries. So this is the definition of nested dictionaries, a dictionary inside a dictionary. Okay, so for example, if I'll be taking a variable for storing student information, which is equals to, I'll be writing like this, and then my first dictionary ka key element, and then I have to pass the values, right? And then I'll be taking the values in the form of dictionary again, and then I'll be defining it as a string, say name, I'll be passing, say for example, Amol. Then we'll be taking, say, roll number, and it is and we'll be taking class. Okay, and then okay, I've passed wrong actually. Okay, so roll number should be 1 and class is this. Okay, so this is my first dictionary inside a dictionary. This is second item. So 2 is my key value, 2 is my key, and after the colon part what I'm writing is the value, and it will be same. I'll be taking like this and just changing the values of it. Say for example, I'll be changing the name to, say for example, Vipul. I'll be writing a roll number change and the class would be same only. Okay, so let's print our dictionary, our nested dictionary actually, student info. Correct, so we are getting the correct output. What is the one? One is the key item, and the name, roll number, and class for Amol, it's a value of the one key, and the second is this. So, what is nested dictionary? A dictionary inside a dictionary. Okay. So how do we access the items in the nested dictionary? In my previous video, I have shown how to access the items in the dictionary. So it is kind of similar only. We have to know the key items. So for example, I'll be passing the one, and then I'll be passing, say for example, name, and let's check the output. So it's returning Amol because the key item is 1 and the name is Amol. Okay, so we'll be changing the, suppose for example, we'll be changing the 2, and then it should return Vipul. Okay. Okay, so this is how do we access the elements. Now, what if I have to add up an element here, here? I have to add an element here. So what we can do? How we can do? So how we have to create a dictionary which is blank. Okay, so we'll be creating the blank dictionary, and then we'll be passing the values to it. Student info 3, then we have to pass all the values, right? Like name, say, which is equals to, I'll be writing names of my friends, it's specially, like and then class is equals to, maybe I'll be writing the same class, and the roll number is 3, okay. So this is how we add an item to an dictionary. Okay, add an dictionary to a nested dictionary. Okay, so let's execute and see. Okay, so roll number 4, year and Swapnali. So name is Swapnali, SC roll number 4, and this has been added. Okay, so to add an dictionary item, what we have done is we have created our variable name and we have passed the key value, and then we have passed the key, and then we have passed the value. Okay, so this is was how we have added an element. So what if we have to remove the item? So if I have to remove an item from a dictionary, then from a nested dictionary, then I can use the del keyword and then my variable, and I have to pass what? I have to pass the key item and then the second key item. Okay, say for example name. Sorry, name is like, okay, I'll be removing year, and then I'll be executing this. Okay, so from 3 year is removed. Okay, see, this is my third, its name, class and roll number. Only this much is printing. Okay, fine, thank you so much. So we will be seeing iterating through nested dictionaries. So this is one and this is two. So for example, it is key items. We'll say it SID, like student ID, and these are the student info. So for iterating amongst these, we'll be seeing for, and then say for example s underscore id comma s underscore info. Info is for the name, roll number and class. Okay, in, there will be the in keyword in this variable student info dot items. It is for dictionary, nested dictionary, right? Then will be what, will be printing first key items, then print, and then maybe I'll be writing here key items are okay, and then I'll be printing actually the values of the key. So it is actually s underscore id. Let's check this output. So key items are 1 and 2. So our key items are 1 and 2. So now how to get the nested dictionary value, how to get the value of this dictionary there? So we have to iterate again in this for loop. We have to write again a for loop, say for key in the s underscore info, because this s underscore info is a dictionary itself. That's why we have to write again a for loop. Okay, so for key in s info, sorry, and then with space, and then let's print, say key, and then I'll be just adding some string value here, and then s underscore info object with key. Okay, so let's check the output. So we are getting everything right. Key items are 1, key items are 1. In this one we have name is Amol, roll number is 1, and class is second year. Likewise we are getting for second, so it's iterating in both the dictionaries. For this we are passing a key element, I mean key, to the info, which is again a dictionary. Okay, I hope I'm clear on this, on the nested dictionary. Thank you so much. Do subscribe my channel.